How nice that you take this moment for yourself. I will take you on a journey through your chakras. You will feel recognition. You will consciously work with your chakras and experience healing where necessary. If you don't know much about chakras yet, I invite you to read the introduction to this meditation or read a good book about chakras. This meditation is intended for you if you are ready for your entire chakra system to flow properly again and to work for you, positively, light and loving. Take a calm, deep breath and slowly breathe out. Take your time to arrive at this moment. You have chosen this moment for yourself to calm down, to consciously focus on yourself and to feel more relaxed, to get even more in touch with your intuition and to learn to feel where it is blocking in your body and how to get the energy flowing again. We will now start with chakra 1, the root chakra. The root chakra is connected to the earth element and represents survival and grounding. Healing for this chakra works, among other things, on letting go of fear, feeling safe, and just be. You may now direct your attention to your root chakra, near your sacrum, at the bottom of your spine. Relax as much as you can and allow the following sentences to flow in easily and relaxed. You will notice that sometimes you can relax more deeply, and other times you may be more distracted. Everything is all right. Just let go and enjoy. It's safe for me to be here. I love my body and trust my body's wisdom. I am here in my body. The earth supports me. I live in abundance. I stay true to myself no matter what. I believe that everything is now as it should be. I think more and more in love of those I judge. I accept that I have chosen this life. I feel love for my experiences and myself. I now let go of everything that no longer serves me, and I allow my root chakra to become more and more balanced every day through the attention and awareness within myself. We will now move on to the second chakra, the Sacral Chakra. Healing for this chakra works on letting go insecurity, daring to have fun, and following your desire. The Sacral Chakra is connected to the water element. It represents desire and pleasure. You may now focus your attention on your sacral chakra in your lower abdomen. Relax as much as you can and allow the following sentences to flow in easily and comfortably. I deserve to have fun. I'm feeling good. I embrace and celebrate my sexuality. It's safe to feel my emotions. I listen to my feelings. Life is fun. I enjoy being independent more and more. I give love without wanting or expecting anything in return. I lovingly set my boundaries and feel good about them. I remain neutral and in my strength, even if someone else reacts aggressively, dominantly, manipulatively, or is in a victim role. I now let go of everything that no longer serves me, and I allow my sacral chakra to become more and more balanced every day through the love and pleasure within myself. We will now move on to the third chakra, the solar plexus. Healing for this chakra works on letting go of distrust and feeling overwhelmed. It works for your autonomy and courage. The solar plexus is connected to the fire element. It represents security and strength. You may focus your attention on the solar plexus, just above the navel. Relax as much as you can and allow the following sentences to flow in quietly. I honor the power within me. I'll continue on my path. My inner fire burns blockages and fears. I know my purpose. I do it easily and effortlessly. I dare to fully indicate my boundaries in a loving and powerfully congruent way. I dare to ask for what I want or think I need. I protect my boundaries. I dare to open up completely and experience compassion for others, even if I disagree with them. I dare to stand up for myself strongly and reject others out of love. I don't take anything personally. I now let go of everything that no longer serves me, and I allow my solar plexus to become more and more balanced every day through the courage and strength within myself. We will now move on to the fourth chakra, the heart chakra. Healing for this chakra works on releasing guilt and hurt, relaxing and feeling loving. The heart is connected to the air element. It stands for love and compassion, and for the connection with yourself and others. You may now focus your attention on your heart chakra, in your chest area. Relax as much as you can and allow the following sentences to flow in easily and comfortably. I am worthy of being loved. I have compassion for myself and others. There is an infinite supply of love. Love is my natural state of being. I live in balance with others. I feel powerful, strong, worthy, courageous, capable, smart, beautiful and good, and I behave accordingly. I let go of control and enjoy being myself. I now release everything that no longer serves me, and I allow my heart chakra to become more and more balanced every day through the trust and unconditional love within myself. We will now move on to the 5th chakra, the throat chakra. Healing for this chakra works on releasing fear of expressing yourself and letting go of fear of what others think of you. Speaking with pleasure and confidence from your heart. The throat chakra is connected to the water space. It stands for communication and creativity. You may now turn your focus to your throat chakra and allow the following sentences to flow in quietly. I speak my truth. My vote is important. My truth is important. I listen carefully to others. Creativity flows through me. I live in harmony. I dare to show and develop my talents. I dare to be honest and clear. I'm unique, authentic, and creative. I believe in my potential and talents. I now let go of everything that no longer serves me, and I allow my throat chakra to become more and more balanced every day through loyalty to myself. We will now move on to the 6th chakra, the 3rd eye. Healing for this chakra works on discovering and learning to trust your intuition and embrace life instead of fighting with what is. The 3rd eye chakra is connected to the light element. It represents intuition and high spiritual insight. Please focus on your 3rd eye between your eyebrows and allow the following sentences to flow in. I see with clarity. I pay attention to my intuition. I have a vision. I focus my attention to see clearly. I appreciate my insights. I am open to the wisdom within me. I follow my spiritual path and stand for what I believe in. I trust my mission. I rely on my intuition, my inner guidance. I now let go of everything that no longer serves me, and I allow my 3rd eye chakra to become more and more balanced every day through the attunement to my inner source. We will now move on to the 7th chakra, the crown chakra. Healing for this chakra works on finding peace in the mission of your life, letting go of the questions that concern you, and receiving the answers at unexpected moments. The crown chakra is connected to the element of consciousness. It represents the gateway to wisdom in the universe, the connection between you and the bigger picture. Please focus your attention on your crown chakra, a little above your head, and allow the following sentences to enter. I am awake and aware. I am guided by the infinite intelligence. I am guided by inner wisdom. Divinity lives within me. Everything is one. I dare to trust the universal power. I love and give unconditionally. I surrender completely to my happiness. I now let go of everything that no longer serves me, and I allow my crown chakra to become more and more balanced every day through the surrender to life in earth and heaven. Now please bring your attention to your breathing and feel the energies working for you. All chakras are working to vibrate at the exact right frequency for you. You have your own unique frequency, and each time you listen to this meditation, it will work differently for you, balancing exactly what matters to you at that moment, for the highest good of your body, mind, and soul. Whether you listen creatively or preventively, you give yourself this moment of attention, awareness, and healing, and this will continue in the coming hours for an increasingly deeply integrated balance within yourself. Take your time now to come back here to the place where you are now. Breathe deeply in and out slowly 3 times. And move your body a little bit. Enjoy your day, your being. You are worth it.